Lot 147 is next, the Tom Thomson Canoe Lake, showing here on my right and up on the screens on my left, your right. The wonderful Tom Thomson that was given by Thomson to Fred Martin in 1915, showing here in the flesh. And I have $300,000 a bit in this lot at 300, 325, 350 now, at $350,000. Any more now? At 300, 500, I like your style. At $500,000. Let's hope that doesn't take the wind out of everybody's sails. 525 with Kate. 525,000 with Kate now at 525. 550 with Kirby. At 550,000 with Kirby now at 550,000. 575 with Allison. 575 with Alan. 600 with Kirby first. 600 with Kirby first at 600. 625 with Kate. At 625,000 with Kate now at 625. 650. 650 now with Jill at 650. 675 with Allison or Kirby at 675. 675 with Kirby. 675 with Kirby now at 675. At 675, bidding. At 675, 700 with Kate. At 700,000 with Kate now at 700,000. 725 with Kirby. 725,000 with Kirby now. 750, new bidder. 750,000 now in the room at 750,000. 775. 800. 800 in the room at 800. 800 in the room now at 800. At 800,000 now, 825. 850. 850. 875 is next. 850 now. 875, shall we? 850. 875. 900. 900 in the room now at 900. At 900 in the room now at 900. 925. 950. 950 in the room. 975. 1 million. $1 million now. Make it a million, and he did. At 1 million. 1,050,000. 1.1. 1.1 in the room. 1.1 in the room. 1.1 in the room now. 1.1. 1,150,000. 1.2. 1.2 in the room now, 1.2. At 1.2, 1250. 1.3, thank you. 1.3. In the room, 1350. Is that 1.4? 1.4 now. 1.450. 1.450, are you bidding, sir? At 1,450,000. The bid is on the telephone with Kate at 1,450,000. Are you bidding, sir? Shakes his head in a disappointed way. At 1,450,000 with Kate at 1,450,000. And I can sell at 1,450,000. Down it goes at 1,450,000 last time. It's yours, Kate. Well done. 1,450,000.